Rachel puzzle, a Thomas puzzle, Thomas Wood puzzles, blocks, Avengers puzzles, a Minion puzzle. Simpsons blind bags.
Oh, those are cool.
Like
Legos.
$29.
No, that's for something else. Oh, look at the Batman.
Oh, that looks cool because of Batman.
That's awesome.
Hey, look.
Yeah, you've been wanting this Thomas game, haven't you?
Yeah. Look again, they try to tackle all the prey on the children and shows.
Oh, look, Paw Patrol.
Ooh. Sack all the pup treats.
This one's called Topsy Turvy.
What?
Silly stacking fun.
Trouble.
Oh, look, Frozen Trouble. Teenage and Ninja Turtles. But we like Ugglys. We actually have a lot of those today.
Really?
You have that, the Dirty Dog Wash Can. Eddie, not in the store.
I didn't do that.
Eddie,
Oops, I didn't do that.
is that your sister?
Oh, look. Thanks.
Let me see you ride the horse.
No.
Oh, you gotta ride it down the aisle. Take it off there. Ride it over there so I could film you. Oh, look, Eddie has a tail. Got
I
sidetracked.
saw SpongeBob. I saw SpongeBob.
Do it again. It says tilt my head. Oh. I don't know how he talks. Oh. Oh well.
Oh, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. That's cool.
Well, look.
There's a SpongeBob.
It's a gift pack. It's a gift pack,
Oh,
right?
that's pretty cool.
Can you
Oh, it has some that I haven't seen.
bring it down?
Look at the rock and roll SpongeBob. Hold this so I can see.
Robot SpongeBob.
Oh my god, that's cool.
Booty.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, SpongeBob in his underpants. Robot.
All the Star Wars things. We are definitely going to get some of these.
Team Hot Wheels versus Grave Digger. Oh, look at that. He's monster. So,
Fine. Layla, you didn't tell me that they made a plushie after you.
I'm trying to decide
Which one do you want?
cards. These are the minifigures. Well, they're not really minifigures. They're kind of like statues.
Or you can get some Star Wars cards. There's two boxes.
I have this one.
There's C-3PO. There's Darth Vader. Really? At me?